How to put text behind a person in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here is how we are going to do it in Premiere Pro. I'm going to go ahead and show you my clips first. So here is what we are working with today, and then I have this text here which I'm gonna be putting behind this person. So how am I going to do that? We're just going to go ahead and line them here, and this is actually a very simple text, nothing very special. As you can see, that's just how it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one here and then click the Alt key and basically drag it out on the top so that we can create a duplicate. Now from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and move our playhead at the beginning, and then we're going to go to our effects controls. Here in the effects controls, we're going to go to opacity, and then we're going to create a mask. So click this one right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw, and I'm not going to be very specific here because again, this is just a quick tutorial, but in your case you can go as detailed as you can depending on the project that you are working with. But yeah, in my case, I'm just going to do this one real quick. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, right after doing that, you should be able to see something like that. So if I were to move this one, you can see that it's just all black. Now, as you can see, when we move a little bit, there is this kind of like small things that are not seen. So what we can do is just put this back here, and we're going to go ahead and move to effects controls. Here, go ahead and click on the mask that you have created. Click this one here in order to have a mask, and then we're going to go ahead and click this one in order to track this one. Alright, seems like it's done, so let's go ahead and play our clip. Alright, there you go. So yep, that is how you're going to put text behind a person in Premiere Pro.